So I have been on a quest for about 2 years. You know how I feel about spices. I'm a little obsessed with them. I may be, well, a spice hoarder. But anyway, I want to make all my own spices. So I've been on a quest for the perfect paprika pepper. I'm like, paprika, how do I make paprika? What is the paprika pepper? The only one. Well, I've had a couple people send me a couple suggestions, send me some seeds. I dehydrated my red peppers. Turns out that paprika pepper is just plain sweet red peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and put through my spice grinder all of this red pepper I've dehydrated and make my own paprika. So here we go. I'm going to start with the first bunch. See how this turns out. Need a little more pepper in there. Whew, dusty. Just gonna keep going. Anyway, this is gonna be your seeds. Quarts of red pepper strips that I had dehydrated last year has made me 1.5 cups of homemade paprika. So I've put it in my jar. I'm just going to add a lid, the ring on, and have homemade paprika. To make this smoky, I'm probably going to add a couple drops of hickory smoke and dehydrate it a little bit more in my dehydrator. But the flavor is perfect. So fresh. Fresher than store-bought, even though the peppers are a year old. So I'm very excited, and I'm now can add paprika to my list of spices I make myself at home. Thank you, Rebel Canners, and have a great day.